Hey guys, this is a Redpawz drone with a IR sensor. So you can just play and it can detect like if there is any object nearby. You can see all these classifications here, and you can see that if you shake it, it will come when you put your hands or there is a wall near to it. It will try to turn back. So that's a little fun. Let's open the back. So this is a nice packing, and you can see there are like two pieces. So one is the drone itself, the other is the remote and the instruction manual. The instruction manual is in a different language and a very thick book, so you can read it if you buy this one. This is RO12 model, and you can see that the English and other language is there. So this is a drone, and there is a hook in the back that need to be untied to make this come up here, and then you can see there's a four things, and there's a battery beside this. Looks a solid touch. And then this is the remote. There's so many buttons on it, and each button have a different function that you can see in the manual. I will also tell something about it. This is accessory kit, comes with that drone. So there is a charger, additional battery, some additional propellers blade. So there are total 4 additional propeller blades. I think one fall down, but there are total 4. So here is the charging kit, like you can charge batteries. The only thing is that you cannot directly charge the batteries with this drone. So the best part is either you can charge the battery by attaching with the battery hook like this, or you can charge the additional battery and then put that battery back into the drone. So I'm just charging it along with the drone. I attached it. You can see like the charging. There is a red light when there is no battery attached to the charger, but then it will get off if you attach it. This is the additional battery. So let me open this remote and then show you how to put in the batteries. So just open this one, and there is a 3 AAA batteries. So I'm adding 3 AAA batteries here, closing the cover, and on the button on this, and here it start blinking as the red when it is solid, and the drone light is also solid, not blinking. That means that it will work. The other thing is that once you charge your battery, you have to take that plug and put it inside this, like I'm showing here. You have to put this plug inside this so that the drone will start working. Once you add it, the drone will start blinking. You have both lights on the remote and the drone is hooked, then they will be solid. The other way is like if you shake the drone, it will go on its own without the remote. So that's a cool part. So I'm trying to actually set it with the drone, but let's shake it. When I shake it, and you can see that the propeller will start working. Yeah, it takes some time for me to actually shake it properly, but it work. Let's see, the propeller start working. I will try to show you because it fly very quickly, and then it doesn't catch up. I'm trying to put it down, but you can see like it is just running up and down. So I'm trying to close. I will show you even the outdoors. I'm trying to show some pics inside my room here, so that you can see you can see some pause because it fly. I'm trying to focus on the drone here with my toolkits and everything. Yeah, like you can see a little bit of the glimpse of it. The other part is like when you put your hand or there is a wall near to it, it just came back, so it doesn't just hit there. I'm just trying to do it in the outdoor. See, like it just fly, and then there's a wall, and then when it sends it, it's not going there, it is coming back. Let me just focus more on it. So here, I'm sorry, I'm just trying to zoom. So when it comes near to the wall, come back, and here it goes into my car a little bit, but it goes from here, and then see, it is not hitting the wall, just run away. It's nice and fun.